What is a smart vacuum cleaner? Think, a vacuum with a mind of its own. With iLoop sensor, suction power is adjusted automatically according to real-time dust amount. Intelligently detects hidden dust. Automatically adapts suction power. Dynamic suction optimization for smarter cleans. Efficient battery management. Attain longer runtime. Smart noise control. Create quieter experience. Powered rinse-free filter cleaning tool. Ensure persistent suction. Remote app control. Monitor cleaning performance. Clean smarter with Pure One. Pure One M is also available. Pure One M. See the smart difference.
Introducing the LG CordZero cordless stick vacuum with compressor technology. Chances are you'll run out of energy long before this powerful vacuum does. Compressor technology compresses dirt and dust so you can keep cleaning instead of stopping to empty the dustbin. And 2 rechargeable, detachable batteries deliver up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning performance. With its convenient design and an array of useful attachments and features, you can use your CordZero to easily clean carpets, hard floors, stairs, high-reach areas, furniture, and more. And when the bin is full, the compressor makes it easier to empty with less mess and scattered dust. The LG CordZero cordless stick vacuum with compressor technology. Powerful suction, cordless convenience, and long-lasting cleaning power. Get yours today.
Dyson's latest vacuum is the only one to use a laser. It's precisely angled to reveal invisible dust. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed, thanks to this special sensor, which counts each size and gives you scientific proof. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology, a high-torque cleaner head that automatically adjusts across different floors and dust amounts. 14 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction, the power of this hyperdymium motor, and 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust. For the most powerful deep clean all around your home.